Hello there. Please do come on in and make yourself comfortable. My name is Bryoni. You're here for a eye exam, is that correct? Wonderful. Now, why did you make this appointment today? Okay. So is this more of a general checkup, routine check? Wonderful. Okay. Now, what sort of symptoms have you been getting, if you have been? Okay. No, that's fine. Have you been getting any blurred vision, double vision, any watering, any discharge, redness, anything else I should be aware of? Okay. And have your vision changed at all? Would you say, have you noticed any changes? Okay, well, I will just do a quick examination just to be sure, but it's good that you've not got sort of any worrying concerns or symptoms at the moment, so that's great. Like I said, please do make yourself comfortable. I've just got some gloves here to pop on first. Okay. Now I'm just going to examine your eyes, if that's okay. Just have a feel around as well. Alright? Wonderful. Do you have any pain or discomfort? Good. Okay. Well, your eyes look and feel fine. What I would like you to do is just look here. 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 Very good. Look at my finger. 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 Very good. Now what I would like you to do is tell me when you can see my fingers in your vision, okay? Good. 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 now tell me when you can't see them, okay? Good. 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 Very good. Now tell me, how many fingers am I holding up? How many? 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 Very good. Okay. What I would like you to do is just look at my finger. Now follow my finger. Follow my finger. Very good. Keep following my finger. Okay, now follow this finger. Follow this finger. Very good. Keep following. Well done, you're doing really well. Okay, now we're going to play a little game. Okay, so we're just going to practice first. I want you to do as I say. Okay, so look at the light. Look at the switch. Look at the handle. Look at my lip. Look at my nose. Look at my mouth. Look at the light. Look at the switch. Look at my neck. Look at my eye. Look at that handle. Very good. Now we're going to say, Bryoni says, okay? So every time I say Bryoni says, you need to do as I say. So I might say Bryoni says, look at the switch. You've got to look at the switch. If I just say look at the switch, you don't look at it, okay? Alright, ready? I'm just testing to see your movements, alright? So, Bryoni says, look at the light. Bryoni says, look at my nose. Bryoni says, look at that handle. Look at my mouth. Bryoni says, look at the switch. Bryoni says, look at the light. Bryoni says, look at my hair. Look at my nose. Bryoni says, look at that handle. Bryoni says, look at the switch. Look at the light. Okay, very good. Alright, I'm now going to use a light and I'm going to have a little look into your eyes, okay? Now I don't want you to look at the light because it'll be very bright, okay? Just going to start this side. Look over here for me. Look over here. Keep looking at my hand. Very good. And now this side, look at my hand. Do not look at the light. Look at my hand. Just Okay, I want you now to look up. Okay, look down. And look left. And look right. Okay. Good. Now just blink. Blink. Very good. I want you now to look at the light. 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 Very good. Can you now follow the light? Follow the light. Follow the light. Very good. Okay, excellent. I've now got a brighter light to use. So, look at the light. 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 Okay, now follow the light. Follow the light. Follow the light. Very good. Follow the light. You're doing really well. Just keep following. Follow the light. Follow the light. Very good. Well done. What I'd like you to do now is just focus on this top bit. Okay, look at this. I want you just to follow it. Very good. Very good. Keep following it. Well done. Excellent. Good job. Next, I'm going to give you two different colours. What colour is this? Blue. And what colour is this? Purple. Okay. I want you to follow the blue pen only. Okay? Keep your eyes on the blue pen only. Good. Okay, now follow the purple pen. Very good. Well done. Next, I would like you to read this eye chart for me. So start in here. E, good. 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 Very good. Good. Very good. Excellent. You've actually got to where I need you to read. If you want to challenge yourself, you can try this line. Well done. And how about this one? It's a little tricky. Good. What color is this? And what color is this? It's red and green. Well done. Now I'd like you to tell me what these numbers are. It's this one. Good, this one. Very good. This number. This number. And this number. Good. This number. This one. This one. Well done. You did really well. And finally, I want you to tell me what some of these objects are on here. What's this? An apple, good. What's this? It's planet Earth. What's this? A flag. What's this? A tree. What's this? A present. What's this? A flower. And what's this? Glasses. Well done. Well, you have done extremely well today. I'm not concerned at all. Your eyes are in perfect working order. If you do notice any changes, please do come back to see me, but for now, you're absolutely fine and there's nothing wrong. Okay? Wonderful. Well, take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.